Hey, organic gardeners! Welcome back to the Organic Gardener's Lab. Today, we're uncovering a simple, free, and incredibly effective secret to boosting your fruiting plants and flowers: banana peel fertilizer. If you've been tossing your banana peels in the trash, you've been throwing away gardening gold. These humble peels are packed with nutrients that your plants, especially those producing fruits and flowers, absolutely crave. Stick around, because I'll show you why banana peels are so beneficial and 3 easy ways to turn them into a powerful organic fertilizer for your garden. So, what makes banana peels so special? They are a fantastic source of several key nutrients. The star here is potassium, which is crucial for fruit development, flower production, and disease resistance. But that's not all. You also get phosphorus for root growth, plus calcium and magnesium for strong cell walls and photosynthesis. It's like a natural, slow-release booster shot for your plants. Method 1 is the simplest: burying chopped peels. First, chop your peels into small half-inch pieces so they break down faster. Next, dig a shallow trench about 4 to 6 inches deep around the base of your plants. Finally, bury the peels and cover them with soil. They'll slowly release nutrients over several weeks. This is perfect for long-term feeding. For a quicker boost, try method 2, banana peel tea. Just place 3 to 4 peels in a jar and fill it with dechlorinated water. Let them steep for 2 to 3 days until the water turns brown. Strain out the peels, you can compost those, and dilute the tea 1-to-1 with fresh water. Use this liquid to water your plants or even as a foliar spray for a fast nutrient pickup. Method 3 is for those who want a storable fertilizer: dried and powdered peels. Lay your peels flat and bake them at a low temperature, around 150 to 200 degrees, until they're completely dry and brittle. Once dry, grind them into a fine powder using a coffee grinder or food processor. Store this in an airtight container and you've got a powerful fertilizer ready whenever you need it. Applying the powder is easy. Just sprinkle a tablespoon or 2 around the base of your plants, gently scratch it into the topsoil, and water thoroughly. This ensures the nutrients start working their way down to the roots immediately. It's precise, mess-free, and highly effective for both indoor and outdoor plants. So, which method is right for you? Burying is best for long-term soil health and new seedlings. Peel tea is perfect for a quick mid-season pick-me-up. And the powdered method is ideal for storage convenience and precise application. No matter which one you choose, your plants will thank you for the natural boost. To recap, using banana peels is cost-free, promotes natural and vigorous growth, and significantly improves your soil health. You're reducing waste while nurturing your garden ecosystem. It's a win-win for you and the environment. For the best results, remember these pro tips. Always use dechlorinated water for your tea. Bury peels deep enough to avoid attracting pests, and apply consistently every 2 to 4 weeks. These small steps will ensure your garden stays healthy and productive all season long. Transforming your waste into garden gold is incredibly rewarding. You'll see stronger stems, greener leaves, and more abundant harvests. By choosing natural methods, you're growing your best garden yet without the need for synthetic chemicals. Sustainable living really does start right in your kitchen. Give these methods a try and let me know in the comments which one you like best. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the Organic Gardener's Lab, and ring the notification bell for more gardening hacks. Until next time, happy growing.